Welcome back to Outside Entrees. Today we are making fried pickles, but with a twist. Store-bought pickles or homemade pickles. I made these pickles last week, so we're going to try which one tastes better. We're going to have the family do a taste test, which one they like better. So the first thing I did was headed to Academy Sports and I bought this pan made for frying fish or vegetables and stuff. So this is what I'm going to make my fried pickles in. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is make a sauce for our fried pickles. Now, I got this actually straight off the Dukes Mayonnaise website. That's the best mayonnaise in the whole wide world. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get half a cup of Dukes mayo. This is a really simple sauce. Alright, here we go. Again, I like to try to do everything, measure it all out equally. Next thing we're going to get is a tablespoon of ketchup. Here's the ketchup. Flies just everywhere. Alright, the next thing, you need some Cajun seasoning. I am using some Old Bay. I'm going to get a teaspoon of that. Put that in there. Just mix all this up. And there you'll have your sauce. That's what it looks like, and that's about the consistency it is. Alright. Now let's get ready to make some fried pickles. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is mix up our flour. So this is the recipe that I use. I use 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Put it in a bowl. 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, which I'm going to use Old Bay. Okay. So next is 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to open it. I just bought this. I had the daughter buy it. So let's open this up. And we're proud of it. There we go. There we go. Teaspoon. A bit extra. See, got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. put a little bit of pepper, about for taste. You know, put around a teaspoon. Same thing with, I got some sea salt. I'm gonna do the same thing with it. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of paprika in there as well. Not a whole lot, just a little. I'm going to stir all this up. And add a little bit more paprika. A little bit more salt. A little bit more pepper. Alright. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of these store-bought pickles. I'm going to have these things drained as much as possible. Now, the homemade pickles. The next thing we're going to do is our milk wash. I have a son that's lactose intolerant, so I use almond milk. So we got 2 eggs. I'm going to crack the eggs. Then pour a little bit of almond milk in there. What I do is I dip the pickles in this before I put them in the flour to get the breading all around it. It's just almond milk and eggs, nothing else. Some people use buttermilk, but I use almond milk and eggs. There we go. Okay, the first batch, I'm going to do the store-bought pickles. So I'm going to put them in the almond milk wash. Put them in the flour. While the store-bought ones are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and bread up the homemade pickles. They're actually almost done. It's been about a minute. store-bought pickles is already done. Homemade pickles are a little thicker. Some might take a little bit longer to cook, not a whole lot. There's the homemade pickles. See you guys here shortly. Get one of those lights on here, little flashy lights. Homemade pickles are almost done. I'm going to get the family to pick which one they like the best. Now, some of them don't want to be on camera. That's okay. But I will tell you what they say. The homemade pickles are done as well. So, rough one. All right, we have Leland, and he's going to do a taste test. Pick which one first. It doesn't matter. Got some dipping sauce there as well.
Okay.
Might be a little hot.
Mm-hmm.
Which one do you like best?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Leland chose B. And I'll tell you what B is. We got A, B. Okay, now here we got Haley. Haley's going to do a taste test. This is my daughter. She goes to UNC Asheville.
I'm going to do like one without sauce and
Okay, she's going to do...
like one plain and then...
Okay. No, second one's just got that doubt.
The sauce is good. Did you make it?
Yep. It'll be on the video.
Okay.
Alright.
B.
She chose B. Okay. She keeps eating B. Okay, there's A. There's B. B might be a little hot.
I like that one better.
B? Okay, perfect. Thanks. Alright, this is my son Jaden. He is doing choose A. You can use the sauce or without the sauce. Okay. Next one. That's B.
Definitely B.
You like B better? Okay, that's so far 3 Bs. 4 B. Awesome. Now Mom is a tiebreaker. Here she comes. Alright, last and definitely not least is my beautiful wife, Kelly. Okay, that is A and then that is B. And you just tell me which one you like the best.
The sauce is really good.
Tasty.
They're both really good.
They're both good, but you gotta tell me which one you like the best.
They're both delicious.
They're both delicious.
Wait.
Would you say tie?
Tie.
Tie, okay. So there is 4 for the homemade and 1 tie. Okay, thanks for tuning in to Outside Entrees. Again, the homemade pickles was the best out of, I mean, everybody liked them. And so I'm gonna make more pickles, but I'm gonna put a link to how to make the do-it-yourself refrigerator pickles in the description here. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time on Outside Entrees.